Get it up. Okay.
Okay.
And action.
Action. Hi, I'm Liz.
And I'm Molly.
And welcome to a new Make More video. Today we are going to be making funnel cakes, courtesy of Aldi. I bought this for $2. It is both the pitcher that you need as well as a dough mix is on the inside, or I guess it's dough, pastry.
Like a cake mix.
Yeah, cake mix.
Yeah.
Okay. Is in here, so we're gonna add some water and mix it up and put it in there.
Just water?
Yeah, that's all it calls for.
That's
Cooking
easy.
oil, measuring cup, frying pan, quart mixing bowl, metal tongs. And you just add water.
Okay.
So very easy. So we're gonna do this and make some treats. And
Makes 8 to 10 cakes, and we have 4 people, so that means we all get 2+.
Yes.
Yes.
I think we get more though.
Okay.
Because I think we're making them, so.
Yes.
We're gonna combine the funnel cake mix pouch and 1 1/3 cup of water in a bowl. So you got that. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna take this off because I don't think we need it. Got the mix. Got the water.
1 1/3 cup.
Yes. I think
And
we
you
need
think this is
scissors probably.
super strong?
Whisk it up.
Whisk it real good. Whisk it.
I've never had funnel
Oh.
cakes.
You haven't?
No, I've never had one.
But it smells like batter. Can we add a little bit
yeah.
of vanilla in there though?
Yeah. Okay, so we are making this our own.
We're gonna doctor it up a little bit with some vanilla. Just cause,
Because why not?
yeah.
Batter should be comparable texture to that of waffle or pancake batter.
Check. Perfect.
Yeah. Pour funnel cake batter into the pitcher. Okay, question.
Yeah.
Should we wash this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, how are you like gonna pour it in?
I don't know. I think we... Do you have a funnel?
Probably not.
It's too thick for a funnel probably anyway. Do you have a,
A paper. Foil.
Do you have a measuring cup that has a spout on it?
like this one?
Like this one. That's
Perfect.
exactly what
Okay, we're gonna wash this and
Yeah.
be right back.
Okay.
We're gonna make a cinnamon sugar mixture for topping, and I also have some candy melts. So I'm gonna melt the candy melts and we can do a little drizzle of that. There you go.
Okay. Do you want to maybe, yeah, just so that it's a little bit more of a straight shot. Oh, yes.
Great consistency.
Yes. Perfect consistency. It's like Aldi knew what they were doing.
Yeah. Aldi always knows what they're doing.
Let's
be
honest.
real.
Yeah. Okay. You all, our husbands are in the background waiting
Talking
for these funnel cakes,
so
so
loud.
just so you know, that's
Can
what
you
you hear.
whisper a little bit, please?
Okay, next step. Step 2, we're gonna pour oil into the fryer or an 8-inch skillet,
Okay,
approximately
so that has like a frying pan.
3 inches deep. But
What do you think?
as long as that can get hot enough.
It will get hot. That's the point.
Yeah.
Of Le Creuset. If you want to sponsor. I'd love some more. I think that's about.
I think that's probably good.
Okay. I mean, it's enough.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna
Yeah, because
turn
it just
on.
has to be like,
It just has to float.
yeah, okay, good. It says, hold the pitcher 2 inches above the oil and pour the batter in a circular motion, creating a lattice design. Just like that.
Yeah, circle back and forth.
Yeah.
Yada yada.
Fry for 30 seconds or until edges are golden brown. Carefully pick up cake with metal tongs and turn over and fry for 20 seconds longer. So like less than a minute total per cake.
Because it's thin.
Yeah, okay. It says 350 to 375.
You know what I have that we didn't have last time? A candy thermometer.
How do you do this?
I don't know.
Are there instructions?
That whole thing though?
I don't know.
Oh, clip side of pan. Do not let tip of thermometer touch the bottom.
Okay.
It's a very shallow pan.
yeah.
For best accuracy, place tip 2.5 inches into liquid.
I don't think we're gonna hit 350 just yet.
Is it still a
It's
while?
moving very slowly. It's at
Here,
like
you can put it on
100.
We're probably gonna have to heat it up again since the funnel cake's not quite ready yet.
Yeah.
But yeah, look at that. And we'll just kind of like drip. Well, maybe I'll thin it out.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
With what?
milk, probably.
Gosh, this is why we're a team.
That's right.
Okay, we'll
That's
figure this
right.
out.
What happened?
Okay, so do not put milk in with the candy. It did not thin it out. It thickened it. It will lose its consistency if overheated or if liquid is added. Luckily, we still have some left, so I'm gonna do it right.
Round
I'm
two.
making a new batch of candy melts
Round
without adding liquid, as it turns out. There we go. That's what I was looking for beforehand. We're just gonna leave this be.
Yeah. All right, it's time. It's time.
Here,
Okay,
let
so
So you know
You
what it's supposed
sure
to look like, right?
no, maybe you should do the
It
first
looks
one.
like that, like a bird's nest.
Okay.
Yeah, just
I'm
like a
gonna do
bird's
one
nest.
and then you do one.
Okay, do like, yeah, go a little, go around
So-
and then kind of back and forth like a spider web,
Okay.
but not exactly like a spider web.
Okay.
2 inches.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Yeah, keep going back and forth, lattice.
Good.
Perfect. Yeah,
Okay.
it's happening fast. So
So fast. Okay. So once it's brown, then we flip it.
yeah,
Do you think I should flip it?
yeah, it's looking brown. Oh,
Oh, it's beautiful.
perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna move this closer so we can put the done ones here. Oh, this is fun.
I think it's probably good.
Yes.
Just gotta sprinkle.
Yes. Yes. Get it on there. Oh, yes.
There we go. Okay, your turn.
Beautiful. Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Sprinkle some of the cinnamon sugar right on it. Yeah. There we go. Maybe it'll stick. I don't know.
I mean, it's artwork, Molly. You are a funnel cake artist.
Well, thank you for your support.
Big believer. If you were thinking about a new career, I think funnel cake artist.
You know, I'm an entrepreneur and I'm always thinking of new careers. So you just wait, party people. Yum. Okay. Dang. Okay.
Just gorgeous. Okay. Yes. We have our sous chef here. Gizmo, say hello. As well as Leo.
Juice protecting.
Yes, of course.
You ready for the last one?
Yeah, do it.
Well, do you want it?
No, you're way better at this than I am.
You did really good
No,
this first one.
look at this. Look at this.
You just made a mistake. That's all. You couldn't help it.
This is the best part of every cooking video, is the taste test. We have our taste testers, Kyle and Thomas, joining us today.
Go for the small one. I see how it is. Yeah.
No, you just gotta
It's
bite
gonna
into
be
it.
delicious.
Just bite
Oh,
into it.
we're gonna-
folks.
yeah, just bite
ready
into it.
and
Ready?
go.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
And when you have powdered sugar, you inhale it, and it gets like you start choking on it. So this is actually really good. The cinnamon sugar was a happy mistake.
Mm-hmm.
How many thumbs up, everyone? 2, 4, 6, 8.
Plus a churro.
There weren't any leftovers, so
That's
that tells
true.
you something.
I was gonna say. So our review of the Aldi funnel cake mix
For $2,
for $2,
8 thumbs up.
all the thumbs up.
$1 per thumb
No, 50 cents per thumb.
for an individual.
Yes, dollar per.
Five.
Right. Yeah.
Wait.
Quarter.
2,
It's quarter per thumb.
quarter per thumb.
Yep. All right. Until next time.
Make more.
Is that what it's called? Okay. Make more.